Hey guys, so today we'll check out how to resolve this issue in VS Code when we try to install any extension. We'll see a couple of ways, and in the end, this will how the marketplace extensions will be easily downloadable. Let's get started. So first, we need to come into the settings. We can also use Control Shift P, and then once we come here, we need to check for proxy. We hit enter. Then we need to get down to this part where we can see this override option is set as default. We need to try changing this. There are multiple options. We just need to apply them and we can keep on searching whatever works. If this doesn't work, there is one another way. Okay, this didn't work. So there's one more way where we can just come to our terminal and we need to flush the DNS. So this is the command ipconfig flush DNS, which we enter. The DNS is flushed. We refresh it once and we try to search if we are able to get anything. Okay, so we didn't get anything. Now we'll try another approach where we need to again go to the settings tab. We need to check for user settings. We need to get to proxy and then we can see this edit.json. This we need to open. There we can see there might be some proxy which is set. This we don't need to be present. So we just need to clear this out and the proxy authorization should be null. And if any proxy is set, we need to clean it. We need to save this file and we need to refresh our VS Code once. And let's open it once again. So right now this is how our settings.json looks like. Let's try to check if we are able to get any extensions. And yep,